This scene from the TV show Byomkesh Bakshi is a great example of shot size based on how you place the camera to frame your characters helps in fulfilling the purpose of a scene. In this case, for the protagonist to establish trust and build credibility between him and the police commissioner, so he has to convince him that despite his first case, he wants to solve the murder mystery without interfering with the police procedures and also staying under their radar. The scene begins with this frame where we notice how the size of the table conveys the distance of understanding between the two characters. Also, the table remains empty on the side of our protagonist to depict the possible lack of knowledge in comparison to the commissioner, who, of course, knows way more details compared to Bomkesh.
चाइना टाउन में जो खून हो रहे हैं सुना है आप उन्हें लेकर काफी परेशान हैं।
And that's when he responds to Byomkesh in this way.
आप हमारे टेलीफोन की बातें सुन रहे थे?
We see his close up covering the entire frame to signify how he is dominating the entire conversation. Then the protagonist drives the conversation with confidence in a level headed manner, which is represented visually as well. He is also projecting to the commissioner that they are both on the same page.
ओके, जो कह रहे हैं कह डालिए।
Now, with a mid close up, we notice the commissioner choosing to put his guard down and give the protagonist a chance to speak freely. The camera shifts its position and goes behind the table. This is where our protagonist does his best to establish trust with persuasion.
कहा ना, मुझे शौक है, बस कोई भी पेचीदा मामला नजर आए उसे सुलझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
क्या करेंगे अब?
ये आप मुझ पर छोड़ दीजिए।
While the commissioner replies back with a smile in mid close up, the camera zooms in towards Byomkesh to emphasize how there should be secrecy about this conversation and about this investigation between the two of them. Finally, we notice a series of over the shoulder shots as the last lap of winning the confidence of the commissioner.
आप अपनी तहकीकात जारी रखिए, मैं आपके बीच नहीं आऊंगा। आपको यकीन हो जाएगा कि मैं आप ही का काम कर रहा हूँ। और फिर अगर आप चाहें तो मुझ पर भी निगरानी रख सकते हैं।
And to close the deal, the commissioner says some of the most overused lines in the history of Indian cinema.
Okay, young man, go ahead.
They finally shake hands on their deal, and the scene has completely changed from this frame to this one. And this is how we notice both dialogue and visual storytelling complementing each other to make this simple scene so engaging for the viewers. By the way, which is your favorite episode of Byomkesh Bakshi? Do let me know in the comments.